When do you go for both? Now again, I'm talking a little bit, I'm going to give this a bit of a Wing Chun context. If I'm here, indoor pak sao. If I'm here, outdoor pak sao. The hands are crossed, that's your lop slash fuk sao. When do I do this? Not here, but if I'm either already closer or if I'm going to go in further. In other words, I only try to control the rear hand when it's in range to be controlled. Don't reach for it. In other words, give me boom and blade out. Yeah, there it is. Don't even think about it. If you try and dump, bang, right there. If this happens, boom. Boom, no problem. That's your pak sao time. Or single. That'd be fine too. But don't even think about trying to get to the rear. We understand? It's too, this distance is, you can't close it. You can so long as he pinky swears not to move until I go, but that defeats the purpose of what we're talking about, right? If he's a statue, I can do whatever I want. As soon as I move, touch my face. Make sense? Get him closer. And yes, 2 is better than 1. And you can see the response.